Hey guys, Chappy again at the 7K tasting room. We're going to be making what's called a gin sour. We're going to start off with that lovely 7K Modern Gin. 60 mils to be exact. My favourite gin. 30 mils of lemon juice. 20 mils of just a 1-to-1 sugar syrup. Very easy to make at home. And then we have our egg. Very easy. Just the egg white. We don't need the egg yolk in here. So this is what's going to make our cocktail all nice and fluffy. So we could have held on to that yolk and made something nice, but not today. What we're going to do now is a wet shake, which is essentially a shake with ice. Now we're just going to strain that liquid to one end of the shaker and then discard that ice. I want to give it another shake, so this is going to give it all that lovely aeration, firm up our cocktail a little bit more. There we are. Then we're going to get our glass with a nice chunk of Antarctic ice. Strain this guy all over the top. Just keeps going. Clean up Chappy's mess. Finally, doesn't quite require a garnish, but it does need a little bit of colour, something for that contrast. Usually you'd use Angostura. We're going to use my favourite, which is Peychaud. And that's it. A gin sour made with 7K Modern Gin, lemon juice, sugar, and egg whites. Oh, yeah, it's a perfect time of day for this.